This isn't just table salt. Every pink crystal began as a giant rock buried beneath the Himalayas over 250 million years ago, waiting to be discovered. This salt is over 250 million years old. Deep underground, miners carefully extract enormous pink salt boulders from glowing tunnels carved into ancient mineral deposits.
Each massive rock is precisely cut into manageable blocks while preserving its natural crystal structure and purity.
Heavy machinery transports these giant salt blocks from the mine to the processing factory for their incredible transformation. Powerful crushers break mountain-sized rocks into thousands of smaller pieces without destroying their valuable mineral content. Next, advanced vibrating screens sort every crystal by size, from coarse cooking salt to ultra-fine table salt. The salt is gently washed and carefully dried, preserving its natural pink color and rich mineral composition. Inside these massive drying tunnels, a precise process unfolds. Advanced systems ensure perfect thermal distribution, resulting in ultra-pure industrial crystals. Experts inspect every batch for color, purity, and consistency before approving it for export around the world.
The color and clarity on this batch look exceptional.
I agree. Very low impurity levels.
Approved for packaging.
Automated machines rapidly package the finished salt, preparing millions of crystals for kitchens across the globe.
From ancient underground boulders to your dining table, every crystal tells a story millions of years in the making. Subscribe for more factory journeys.